Hey, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? Okay, I have a really, really strange one for you. Basically, I shortened the title of this blade. This is the Katsu Handmade D2 Steel blade. But trust me, that name goes on forever and ever and ever and ever and ever. Alright, recently I have seriously been getting into the Higo No Kamis for a carry. So I started doing a little research out there, searching on Amazon, and I found basically a modernized version of that classic Japanese pocket knife. What I liked the most about it, which gripped me in there, is the scales were made to look like a piece of bamboo, which I thought was just amazing in its own. Yeah, but as with everything else, there's some goods, there's some bads, and there's, some other stuff with this blade. So, let's get into the fun stuff like we usually do. Now, it's got an overall length of about 7.50 inches. The blade's about a flat 3, which means closed we're looking at about 4.5. Now, it comes in at a small minor weight of 3.35 ounces. Now, like I said, this is a modern take on a traditional Higo No Kami. Higo No Kamis are usually friction folders. This one, you can obviously tell, is not. It's also done in that really, really classic Higo No Kami style, or as you might want to call it, a Warncliffe, or some people have said reverse Tonto. I'm going to let you make that one up. But what I thought was cool is you can kind of see, like with the grind lines, how there's that little dip in there to give you that more, focus, pressure, and everything. It's really well done. It just is. Now, we've got a plain edge with a flat grind, they say, and it is in D2 steel. Granted, it has the stamp D2. I will get to that in a moment. Calm down, guys. I'll get there. Alright, you know my channel by now. We do have, stainless steel frame with a liner lock. Now, there are dual G10 green scales, like I said, made to look like a big old piece of bamboo. Now, I like the fact that the tensile strength of bamboo is stronger than steel, stronger than concrete. It can take a beating and just be there. So I like the fact that they made it look like that on a blade to give it like a classic older look to it. Now, it is the traditional Higo No Kami. Ow, did I cut myself? Nope, cool. Higo No Kami one-hand style open. Now, when I went looking into those blades, for a long time they didn't even have the little thumb pressure on the back. They would have to open them, until a Japanese bladesmith one day just got upset with it and welded a small piece of metal on the bottom. So, yeah, but like I said, it's just got that, traditional one-handed opening. Only one way to carry it. It's a right-hand carry with a tip up, which, after carrying it, I went, well, that little bit on the bottom. Okay. We do have a lanyard hole down there. Now, this is what kills me, okay? Katsu knives, from what I understand, if you go to like Katsu.com, I think it is, they are some of the largest online dealers of Japanese-style knives. Now, this one is currently not in their catalog. And what kills me is when you get this in the box, and it came with a couple other things I forgot, so forgive me. But when you get this in a box, you get a small reward where you have to go to the website, scan a QR code. You're supposed to leave a review on Amazon, and you're supposed to get a $10 Amazon gift card. Gift code, whatever. I haven't gotten mine yet, and it's been a couple weeks. They say it's supposed to be 10 days. If I get it, I get it. If I don't, I don't. I really don't care. The blade came in like the little burlap bag thing, which I thought was definitely interesting. And they gave you a belt sheath, which made me go, it's a traditional pocket knife. Why are you putting it on your belt? Okay, but it does fit okay in there. Whichever way you want to stick it. Well, interesting. Wouldn't give me that problem before. But yeah, so it does have nice little retention in there. Have I carried it with that? Nope. Am I going to repurpose that? Probably, yeah. But like I was saying, yeah. that Katsu.com is the world's largest seller of online Japanese kitchen knives. Can't find this in there anywhere. So if you're supposed to go there to get your reward, don't you think this should be on their web store somewhere? And that's what makes me skeptical. Like I said, I'd get there in a moment. Is it true D2 Steel? You know, there's been other companies out there who have said D2, and they've got caught faking that. So I'm going to leave that up to you, okay? It cuts, it's carried well, it's been an interesting experience with it, so I think I got my money's worth. Would this be a daily beater knife for me? Quite possibly. But let's get into the cut tests like we usually do here on the channel. Now, if you're curious why I'm about to do these 3 cut tests, take a look right up top. You're going to see a card for why I do these cut tests. All right, like we usually start off with heavy-duty stock paper. Oh, yeah, it's got that great sound to it. Let's see if we can get a curlicue. It started to. Okay, big reason why I like to get talk, Chris, you can do it. The big reason why I like to get those curlicues is anybody can bring a blade and go sharp. But if you just drag it along slowly, maintain your edge. Of course, I screwed that up, probably because of that big bit of snowfall there. Let's try that again. Oh, well, that's kind of doing it. It should start to curl back in on itself like that. That way you can see there's no micro abrasions, cuts, chips, pitting, anything like that. But man, did it pick up snow, huh? Okay. Now on to the struggle test. Yes, Bill Rivers, until that paracord is gone, this is renamed the struggle test. If we have future deficiencies with the struggle test, it will be forever known as the struggle test. But here we go. Sweet baby Jesus, be merciful. Pull. Somewhat clean. A little bit more effort than I thought I should have to, but not bad. I didn't smack the camera this time, so I'm taking that as a win. And a slice. Yeah, right through, no problem. And the man of the hour, Mr. Ratchet Strap. I wonder what will happen to him today. Right through, no problem. Okay, let's take a look at the blade like we usually do. I really don't see any issues. No real issues. Okay, so today is currently, what, August 26th, 2021. I did the homework and all the good stuff on this on August 14th, 2021. The only place I can find this blade, and I did some looking, is on Amazon. So it's going to run you $49.99, and it is Prime eligible. It's been reviewed 373 times, and it got a 4.6 out of 5-star rating. Now, we are at the fun part of these videos for me. Most of you who know, and I swear to God, one day I got to get that little drum roll. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below. Do you think this one is a nice or an F-bomb? Nice or an F-bomb? For a Higo No Kami, a modern day take, I like it. The price point is not bad, okay? Most of the Higo No Kamis I've bought recently and I'm going to bring to the channel have been at a lower price point, but with the G10 scales, everything else, I get why it got a little bit more of a price bump. My biggest wonder, is it true D2 Steel? You know? But that's just me. So, like I said, I want to know your stuff, okay? Leave me comments right down below. Now, for you first-time viewers of my channel, I just want to say, hey, thanks so much for watching this video. Man, if you like what you saw, Fat Boy Allergies, no COVID, please go ahead and give me that big old thumbs up. It's only going to help trigger that algorithm and get this insanity out to more people. Now, after you've done all that fun stuff, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question is, why not? Why don't you leave me a comment right down below what I can do to earn your subscription? You never know how your suggestion may change the course of history of this channel. Now I got a couple more things for you. I know, but they're all free, don't worry. In just a couple moments or two, take a look right down there. You're going to see a big old channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. See, one click, easy access. Just make it as simple as possible. Now, after you've destroyed that subscribe button, please beat up the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because that's going to let YouTube notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much on YouTube, two will be popping up somewhere over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience for you. Alrighty guys, there we go. My quick tabletop look at the shortened title, the Katsu Handmade D2 Steel Blade. Thank you so much for watching. I hope all of you are having a great day, a safe day, and I'll see you in our next video.